The sky has always been a battlefield, with nations vying for control for over a century. Air superiority isn't just about numbers, it's about having the best, most advanced aircraft. Securing the skies is the first step to winning any modern conflict, protecting ground forces and national interests. This relentless pursuit has driven aerospace innovation, with each new fighter jet forcing adversaries to rethink their strategies. The jet engine's debut in World War II changed everything, and later, aircraft like the F-4 Phantom and F-15 Eagle set new standards. Each generation of fighter marks a shift in the balance of power. Today, rivals like China and Russia are closing the gap with their own stealth fighters. The US must keep innovating to maintain its edge. Falling behind could have dire consequences. The need for a new champion of the skies has never been more urgent. Developing a top-tier fighter is a secretive, decades-long process involving the brightest minds and billions of dollars. The goal: create a machine that can outfly, outfight, and outthink any adversary. The unveiling of such an aircraft is more than a press event. It's a statement of intent. It signals to the world that America's commitment to air superiority is unwavering. The stakes are high, and the race for dominance in the skies is unending. Every new fighter is a leap forward, a new legend born from necessity. The quest for air superiority is a story of constant evolution, and it's far from over. The wait is over. The US Air Force has unveiled its most closely guarded secret, the Next Generation Air Dominance, or NGAD fighter. This isn't just another jet. It's the result of years of secret research designed to dominate the skies for decades. The NGAD succeeds the legendary F-22 Raptor, bringing a new era of air power. Today's reveal marks a turning point, as the NGAD sets a new standard for what a fighter jet can be. It's not just a single aircraft, but the centerpiece of a network system, working with drones, sensors, and communication nodes. The NGAD acts as the quarterback of the sky, directing robotic wingmen and gathering intelligence from a vast network. This collaborative approach multiplies its effectiveness, allowing one pilot to control a fleet of assets. The unveiling was a powerful demonstration of American technological leadership. The message: while others chase fifth-generation tech, the US is already on to the sixth. The NGAD is both a warning and a promise. America will hold the high ground. The era of the NGAD has begun, and the skies will never be the same. It's a leap into the future, redefining what's possible in aerial combat. The world is watching, and the bar has been raised. To appreciate the NGAD, you need to understand supersonic speed, traveling faster than sound, or Mach 1. Breaking the sound barrier creates a shockwave and the iconic sonic boom, demanding immense engine power and a strong airframe. Early attempts were dangerous, but modern fighters are built for these extremes. Most older jets can only go supersonic briefly, using afterburners that burn fuel rapidly. Afterburners give a temporary thrust boost but severely limit range. Enter supercruise, the ability to fly supersonic without afterburners, a game-changer for fighters like the F-22 and now the NGAD. Supercruise lets the NGAD cover vast distances quickly, arriving ready for battle. It gives pilots the freedom to choose when and where to fight. The NGAD pushes sustained supersonic flight further than ever before. This capability redefines what's possible in aerial combat. Speed, endurance, and tactical flexibility are now unmatched. The NGAD is built to own the sky at any speed. The NGAD is packed with technology that borders on science fiction. Its tailless delta-wing design eliminates radar reflective surfaces, making it nearly invisible from any angle. Advanced stealth is just the beginning. The NGAD fuses data from radar, infrared, and electronic sensors, giving the pilot a seamless 360-degree view of the battlefield. This drastically reduces workload and enables faster, smarter decisions. The cockpit features a panoramic touchscreen display, customizable for any mission. The pilot's helmet projects critical data directly onto the visor, even letting them see through the aircraft. The NGAD is a master of networking, sharing sensor data with other aircraft, ships, and ground forces in real time. It commands swarms of unmanned collaborative combat aircraft, robotic wingmen that scout, jam, or carry extra weapons. This allows the NGAD to direct the battle from a safer distance, extending its reach and lethality. The jet is the central node in a vast invisible web of information. Every feature is designed for dominance, survivability, and teamwork. The NGAD isn't just a fighter, it's the brain of a networked air force. It's a leap beyond anything seen before. The future of air combat is here, and it's smarter than ever. At the heart of the NGAD's performance is its adaptive cycle engine, a revolution in jet propulsion. Traditional engines are a compromise between efficiency and power, but the NGAD's engine can shift modes in flight. For long-range patrols, it sips fuel like a commercial jet, dramatically increasing range. When combat calls, it morphs into a high-thrust turbojet for breathtaking acceleration and maneuverability. This flexibility means the NGAD can fly farther, stay on station longer, and fight harder than any predecessor. The engine's third stream of air acts as a heat sink, managing the massive thermal loads from advanced electronics and sensors. This keeps the jet cool and stealthy, reducing its infrared signature. The adaptive engine is a hallmark of sixth-generation design, combining range, power, and survivability. It's both a marathon runner and a sprinter, ready for any mission. The NGAD's propulsion system is a strategic advantage in itself. It's a leap forward that changes what's possible in the sky. Power, efficiency, and stealth, perfectly balanced. Stealth is the art of invisibility, and the NGAD takes it to new heights. Its tailless shape and advanced radar-absorbent materials make it nearly undetectable to enemy radar. The NGAD's stealth works across a wider range of radar frequencies, countering both high and low-frequency threats. Every detail, from serpentine air intakes to internal weapon bays, is designed for low observability. Even the cockpit canopy is coated to block radar waves. Stealth now means more than radar evasion. It's about reducing heat and electronic signatures too. Adaptive engines and advanced cooling keep the jet's thermal profile low. Its own radar and comms are designed to avoid detection. The NGAD is a true ghost, unseen, unheard, and undetected. It's the ultimate first-strike asset, built to survive in the world's most dangerous airspace. Comparing the NGAD to older fighters is like comparing a smartphone to a rotary phone. The F-15 was a powerhouse of its era, but it lacks stealth and is easily detected by modern defenses. The F-35 brought stealth and sensor fusion, but it's a multi-role jet, not a pure air superiority machine. The NGAD, as a sixth-generation platform, is a paradigm shift. It combines stealth, sensor fusion, and adaptive engines for unmatched range and endurance. Artificial intelligence and optional unmanned operation push it even further. Most importantly, it's the commander of a networked family of systems, controlling robotic wingmen and sharing data across domains. The NGAD pilot is less a dogfighter, more a battle space manager. It can see farther, fly farther, and control more assets than any aircraft before. This creates a mismatch older jets can't overcome. The NGAD is built to dominate not just dogfights, but the entire aerial theater. It's a generational leap that changes everything. The future of air combat belongs to the NGAD. The NGAD doesn't just give the US a better jet, it changes the rules of warfare. Its range, stealth, and networked capabilities create new strategic options for commanders. The NGAD and its robotic wingmen form a resilient, self-healing network in the sky. If one drone is lost, another takes its place. Distributed lethality that's hard to defeat. Air combat shifts from individual duels to a complex, multi-layered team sport. The NGAD acts as a forward sensor for Navy ships or Army missile batteries, integrating air, sea, and land operations. It identifies and tracks targets deep in enemy territory, relaying data for precision strikes. This level of integration makes the joint force more lethal and effective. The NGAD redefines air power. It's about controlling information, not just airspace. Decision dominance is the new goal: sense, understand, and act faster than any opponent. With the NGAD, the US is preparing to win not just the next battle, but the next war. The NGAD's unveiling marks a new chapter in aviation history. Its technologies, adaptive engines, advanced materials, AI, and networks, will shape the future of flight. We're on the edge of a second supersonic age, with efficient engines and quieter sonic booms promising faster global travel. For national security, the NGAD ensures a critical technological edge for decades. It's more than a weapon, it's a symbol of leadership and a guarantor of security. The NGAD is a testament to human ingenuity and the drive to push boundaries. As it takes its place as guardian of the skies, it ushers in a smarter, faster, more connected future. The sky is calling, and the future is supersonic.